5 Collagen and elastin-rich nutrients for anti-aging. Turn back time with these essential nutrients that produce collagen and elastin. Your skin is the largest organ of your body, with functions ranging protecting the organs to regulating body temperature. Your skin gets its strength and resilience from collagen and elastin, 2 important proteins that work together to give it its shape and texture. When the production of the proteins is impaired, your skin starts wrinkling and looking old. However, you can beat the aging procedure by eating enough collagen and elastin-rich foods. Here are 5 essential nutrients that are necessary for building these 2 proteins. 1. Vitamin C. Strawberries, limes and gooseberries. What do they have in common? They have an abundance of vitamin C, a nutrient essential for collagen biosynthesis. It is important for cross-linking collagen molecules and stimulating collagen gene expression. So include vitamin C-rich fruits and vegetables in your diet to make your skin look ageless. 2. Phytoestrogen. Estrogen is a woman's best friend. It makes you look younger. Foods like beans, soya, nuts, legumes, oats, barley, sesame seeds are teeming with these essential nutrients. If you are on the other side of 30, eat a phytoestrogen-rich diet to keep aging at bay. 3. Gelatin. Did you enjoy eating jelly as a child? It is made of a protein called gelatin, found in the bones and connective tissues of animals. Consuming gelatin can help supply collagen and elastin to your body, preventing any early formation of wrinkles. Gelatin-rich foods include meat, bone broths, yogurt and agar-agar. 4. Vitamins B. Vitamin B is a family of 8 vitamins: thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, pantothenic acid, vitamin B6, biotin, folic acid and vitamin B12. Together, they help in the production of collagen in the human body. Studies have shown that those deficient in vitamins B2 and B6 have very low collagen content in the skin. So ensure you eat a diet rich in beans, peas, green vegetables and cruciferous vegetables for a steady supply of vitamin B. 5. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant that acts against free radicals and protects skin against sun damage. In conjunction with vitamin C, vitamin E works to produce collagen reserves in the body. Some of the richest foods that contain vitamin E include nuts, spinach, whole grains, olive oil and sunflower oil. Topic application of the vitamin is also good for healing skin. 6. Copper. For healthy, taut skin, your body has to mesh together both elastin and collagen. And the mineral that helps in doing that is copper. Copper is needed in the human body to increase the activity of the enzyme lysyl oxidase, which helps in the cross-linking of collagen and elastin. The mineral is found widely in foods such as organ meat, shellfish, cashews, almonds, sunflower seeds and lentils. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.